How did The Guardian make that decision in terms of where the fine line was between intense interest but public interest coverage?
It's a day-to-day proposition, and I think, we wanted to cover it. There was global interest in it. I think one of the things we tried to bear in mind, and I think some of our reporters successfully did in their reporting, one of the things they did do was make sure that we always talked about the 3 victims and the one almost victim of this crime. This was a crime with 3 victims and a much broader group of people terribly affected by it, including the children and the community and the relatives. And it wasn't Agatha Christie. It wasn't Midsummer Murders. It was real.
Yeah, and I think making those decisions is also about looking at what other news you cover. And I think at The Guardian, I've tried to keep in mind, and I know other editors have too, making sure that this isn't the only kind of story in town, that it is a story with huge interest and one that deserves deep coverage, but that's not all we're doing. And I would note that on Monday, which is the day that we got the verdict, we had also had a reporter, Nino Bucci actually, who had been covering this, originally was sent to Yuendamu to cover the coronial inquest into the death of Kumanjayi Walker, because we also regarded that as an incredibly important story about justice in Australia.